our feature presentation.
Good morning. It's an early start to Friday here for me. We are driving up to Washington. We got some errands to run, and we're going to go to the Splish, Splash, Bash. My buddy's band, Whalian, is throwing a music festival up in Bellingham at the Lookout Rock Art Quarry, I think it is. Lookout Rock Quarry. And we've got the truck all packed up behind us here, so we're getting in. It's a solo journey. Alex is staying home because she has work and things like that. And yeah, let's start rolling, getting on that road and doing this dang thing.
Bellingham is in northwest Washington, almost 8 hours away from where I live in Lapine in central Oregon. So I gassed up the truck and hit the road.
Just made my first pit stop to use the bathroom, and I think I kind of freaked out these people that were trying to go for a walk. I think they thought I was gonna like rob them or something. All I need to do is pee. Now I'm good to go. The road's right behind me there. Let's get back on it. Fairly certain that's about right up there. Not 100%, but we're near it. We've made it to Washington, about 130 miles from Seattle. Stopping for gas and getting a snack. Thanks, my dude. Sausage, egg, and cheese croissant. Sound delish. Let's get some orange juice too, I guess. One last pit stop. We're about 20 or so miles from Bellingham. I have easily decided I'm never driving through this state again if I don't have to. Worst drivers in the country. Hands down. Been saying it for years. Still the case. Hasn't changed. Can't wait to be off these roads with these ding-dongs. I'll be chilling for the rest of the evening. I had a great time hanging out with my great friends Bill and Lisa. So fun seeing them. We just got turned all evening, had a blast catching up. Now, I'm currently driving to the Whalian Festival. Gonna do a little scenic tour down an area I haven't been through in a couple of years at least. Probably like 3+ years if I had to guess. And then yeah, we'll show you what the festival grounds is like. It's being held at the Lookout Arts Quarry here in Bellingham, just north of the town of Alger. I've never been there, but they do hold events like this there fairly often. So if you're in the area, you see something happening, you should check it out. We are rolling in. And this is the parking lot, and there's actually a decent sized crowd of cars in here. I'm very impressed. Whalian's pulling it off here. I'm liking this already. So we just gotta find a spot. Let's go and buy that white van over there. I'm pretty sure the van people here are camping in the van as well. We'll leave them some privacy room, and I think if we just pull in like this, we're not going to ruin anyone's day. Friggin' cool, man. So this is going to be the setup for overnight. So got some cushions and some pads on the truck bed, sleeping bag, an extra sleeping bag. Here's the cooler helping hold it all down. We're going to grab a drink and go check out the festival grounds. We do have a chair set up over here. I'm not sure, but we'll see if I can't maybe sneak the easy up over the truck bed to sleep under tonight. I promised I wouldn't make a big campsite out of my parking spot, so we're gonna have to sneak that up in the dark or something. I've arrived when everybody else is still, I think, gathering themselves from the night before. It's some pretty cool grounds they got set up here. You got like a ship stage over here. The giant nautilus shell. That's pretty cool looking. Looks like some terraced viewing areas. This enormous stage that they've got set up. Now, is that really the third eye pine cones over there? That's wild. Let's wander around a little bit more. I guess they're calling this the Loch Ness Lake stage. This is where the quarry turns into a swimming hole back here, I suppose. Please rinse off lotions, potions, and sunscreen. Oh, this is cool. Neat. Couldn't really show you the swimming because there's a lot of naked people here right now. But we'll get to check out these rocks. Huh. There's a giant light right over here. What else is here? Is this like a kid zone, I wonder? What is this? A massive chill zone? T-bar. Open when it's chiller. This is a weird spot. Oh, there's a stage right there. What the heck? It's like an under-the-sea Stonehenge. It's just a bathtub of stuffed animals. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Is there a person here? I don't know what that is. Let's go lay in this hammock for a couple of minutes. Alex is going to be surprised to see this part of the video because I don't normally like laying in hammocks, but it's hot, dude. I'm tired of walking. I don't know how to lay in a hammock really either. So it's a banana hammock. We have been rounded up and are waiting to start the Wonky Olympics. Wonky Olympics. You can see some of what they have planned for us there. There's a dunk tank too. Team Orange, let's go. Get him, Connor, get him. one last outfit change, got some pants on, an extra hat, the chair, an extra couple of beers, ate a sandwich really quick, and headed back in for the evening time festivities. All the lights are being turned on, and it's looking pretty sweet right now. Porta John's even be lit up. Check it out. Got some lasers going off in the trees over there. They were sound checking Led Zeppelin. See if they go back to it. Just waking up here, it's about 10 a.m. Slept in the truck bed last night. I used the tarp as a roof. It was okay. I didn't sleep too bad actually. So now we're gonna pack all this stuff up, get ready to start heading back to Oregon. Oh my god, we're in Washington already. Good time, and hopefully we get to do this again soon. Goodbye, Splish Splash Music Festival. Can't wait to do it again. Uh-oh. Is it gonna come back though? It is, but not unless the tree gets to come back right a little bit. Oh no! Fun! Greenish tree area.
I'll just cut through this way.
Oof. We're playing a little bit of disc golf right now. Me and the homie Keith out here at the Cornwall Park. Been a good day so far, honestly. I got started nice and early this morning. We'll maybe show a couple more throws. I just picked up a washer and dryer set that one of my best friends, Bill, gifted me as a housewarming gift. It's sitting in the bed of the truck. Picked it up on the way down south from Bellingham, just hanging out at a park right now. Gonna take a little nap, hoping all these kids aren't screaming too loud to disturb me. I just want to take off after the traffic dies down a little bit because Seattle area is just the freaking worst for drivers. Got a little mat set up to sleep on. Truck's off over there. You can see his stuff in the back of it right now. I got it all ratcheted down. I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna catch a few Z's before we head out. It's not a drive around Seattle without buttloads of traffic, of course, even at 7:30, 8 p.m. at night. Kind of a late update. I am bad at filming when I'm just trying to get done with the drive. Got home around 2 a.m., took a shower, passed out, and then Alex and I went and got a new car. Well, not a new car. We bought a used car. We bought a new used car. But now, I got all my truck unloaded, and we put the washer and dryer inside. I had an amazing trip. Everything went great. Better than expected. Saw all my best friends up there. Can't wait to do it again, hopefully. Maybe not drive this time. Thanks again for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe. Make sure you turn on those notifications, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Woo! Howdy. Some weird looking legs, man. I'm wiggling my eyebrows. I just had the worst shot of the day as I recorded it, of course, right? That's how it goes. I feel like this could be half of the video.